sitting in Burger King.
Not even in it.
We're in a car.
At the drive-thru.
Power went out. This crazy looking hurricane type storm happening. And unlike normal human beings,
I want french fries.
she decides to sit and wait. But
I don't
no,
even know
she
what I was
wants
thinking.
Burger King.
I don't know what I was thinking.
But knowing nice people that are actually probably normal, they'll probably give it for us for free. But how long have we been here? 5, 10 minutes?
Yeah.
It's, you know, it's 8:18.
Doesn't even look like it outside.
It looks like it's like 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock.
During a hurricane.
I'm disgusted with you.
The stop sign's wiggling.
Just go push it over. It's not even red. It shouldn't be called a stop sign. I bet it's like the ugly duckling of stop signs.
Definitely. I heard a voice. There's a guy over there?
Hmm?
There's no guy over there. They're inside of there.
How
would
the
that
bike
feel?
thing?
The rain came out of nowhere. It was nice and sunny out, and then it just started
We went to
pouring.
youth group.
Oh my god.
We came out of youth group, and there's this crazy mad storm happening. And I ran home as fast as I could.
Got our things.
And we got our things. We're getting ready to go to a girl's house. And next thing you know, we're in a hurricane type thing. And there's dolphins knocked over on the side of the road.
Yeah, like statues.
Palm
Palm fronds going everywhere.
It's crazy, dude.
Holy sheesh. Sheesh kebab.
Crazy world we live in.